Hey yo, what's up, man? It's been a while since I did this kind of reaction videos. We're going busy hip hop, but let's dig in deep. Let's check this out.
That's fair.
Hello.
Hey, how's it?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm good, thanks. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show where we call people's partners to verify if their partners are loyal, and they will win 1,000 rand if their partners are loyal. So we want to ask you a few questions about your relationship.
Yes.
Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
Light skin.
Okay. Yeah, I want to ask, so how long have you been dating?
Okay.
How long have you guys been dating?
Hello.
How long have you been dating?
Oh, we've been dating for 6 years.
Okay.
Why are you asking me all these questions?
Because your partner's going to win 1,000 rand. So, are you married?
I was planning to engage her, but she has been cheating. Right?
She has been cheating.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Do you guys have a baby?
Excuse me?
Do you guys have a baby?
Oh, we were planning to have a second one. We have one now.
Okay. What is your partner's name?
Yes. Lebogang. Why?
Hi.
Hello.
Hello?
Baby, ubani ulebogang cause ukhuluma nogcina, and we've only been dating for 3 years, no child, no whatsoever. You never told me you have a child. What's this?
Oh, Mikey, why don't you use your number? Why are you not calling me your number?
No. I get with no. It's CMTV. If I called you.
Dude, does it matter why you're phoning pin number? Answer the question. Qwaba.
Baby, ubani ulebogang cause ukhuluma nogcina, and we've only been dating for 3 years, no child, no whatsoever. You never told me you have a child. What's this?
Oh, Mikey, why don't you use your number? Why are you not calling me your number?
No. I get with no. It's CMTV. If I called you with my number, you would know that it's me and you'd say the right answers. But then if you know that you have one partner, bozo khuluma straight qiniswa ungangibuzi ngama number. Wena ubani Lebogang? One baby.
Uyamazi Lebogang.
Angimazi Lebogang. Angaze ngizwe nithi ngoLebogang. I never heard anything about umntwana unangaki.
No, ngingakutshela le.
No, I don't know. I don't know.
So you were not taking things serious when I was telling you that.
You never told me you have a baby. You never told me you're planning on engaging someone that you've been dating for 6 years.
Or the woman, she's cheating even.
I'm not cheating.
Or the other one, she wants to marry.
Yes, my woman is cheating on me. That's why I'm with you.
Oh, so mina lunchbox. Ukuthi manje.
So, baby, mama is cheating. Now he decides to cheat back with her. Like, what game is this? What kind of game is this, dog? What kind of game is this?
Or the other one, she wants to marry.
Yes, my woman is cheating on me. That's why I'm with you.
Oh, so mina lunchbox. Ukuthi manje break kube nesikhaftini uyosidlika idla maso ubuyela ekhaya so suthi so babysit abantwana.
No, I met you nicely. I fell in love with you, and then I dated you because I was also having problems in my relationship.
I don't care about your problems in your relationship. We all have problems. But then what pisses me off is that you couldn't tell me that you have a child. You couldn't tell me that you were in a 6-year relationship. All this time mina ngithi honest. All this time mina ngitshela ukuthi ufuna ukwakha ifuture nami kantoni uloku yabethi yabuyalela ku baby mama. What is that?
But I'm being honest with you right now.
Can you be honest manje?
Yes, because you asked me. Like, you haven't really asked me, and the first time you're asking me, guys, is when you have like what CMTV or what whoever you are with. I don't even know, why are you on TV?
Because I wanted to test your loyalty, and baby, you know we've been talking about not having kids because of our financial status. Ganti, when are you busy throwing dick around making babies? I didn't even know about your child.
And I was planning for us to have the first child, like.
Ufuna ukuba ne-first bond lapha ya ube ne-first bond la ushaye double mapengwana.
How musu uyazi lo mshini wami lo mshini wami.
No, you're disappointing me. You're disappointing me because
mshini
after all
wami.
these 3 years mina ngizitshela ukuthi okay sengiyakhe future nalo muntu nakithi sengisiyak introduce most of my family members bayakwazi kanti waziwa nakwamanye amakhaya wona umkhonyane nje yonke indawo yakhokhwezela.
No, like, but I can do that. What? I'm a man.
You're a man.
Yeah.
So what does your manhood mean?
Huh?
What does your manhood mean?
I mean, it means that I can just take care of you. And,
Nah, bruh. You know, I spoke about you. I spoke to you about let's not have too much sex. Futhi, you insinuated that let's not have too much sex, baby, as prevent ukuthi si enjoy sex, singa misuse, singa kanti you preventing your fucking semen for that other girl. Kusho ukuthi isigubhu sigcwalisela lo munye ugirl njoba mina ungincisha.
when I washo ukuthi uyangifuna because mina ngingakubuza and then i-answer yakho wangitshela ukuthi you're not ready.
Yes, I'm not ready. Inyoni yahlakaniphi yakhe isidleke before umntwana. That's why I was saying, baby, I see a future with you. Let's take things slow. Can't you already have a child? You're already babying people around. 6 years. 6 years, bro.
Yeah, and me and you can also do 6 years.
What? Yeah, hi, mfana. Me and you can do 6 years. After another 6 years, ngizomfica unkombi suku 9 years.
Yeah, like what's the problem? I need to goals. It's goals. It's relationship goals. So what's the problem?
You fucking broke ass nigga. You don't even have money. Ungitshela ngokuthi it's goals for you to have 2 relationships. I want 1 partner. Goals for what?
No, but I can have money in 6 years.
When can you have money in 6 years when you don't have plans on how to make money now? Uhluleka ukuthengisa amatamati nama-chips.
Oh, I told you about the car wash that I was planning for the boys there. So what's your problem? Gandhi, what's good for you? What's straight for you? Like, you don't really listen to me.
He does try. But then imali angihlezi ngiyibona because imali kusho ukuthi iya kulo baby mama lo wakhe. He doesn't bajela me. I buy plates. I do everything. I do every fucking thing, boy.
Okay, you want money now? Come take money. I have money right now. I have cash.
Don't you dare bribe me. Don't you dare bribe me. Ngoba uzobe songithambisa.
Where are you?
Legend.
Uthini, baby?
Ngithi angisakufuni qhubeka nebaby mama yakho nakho umndeni kube mnandi kube happy family because mina ngisilima ngiloko ngiyi-side piece for 3 years lapho ngitsho ukuthi you the one that's meant for me. I see you in my dreams. Nabo gogo bavumile. Bagogo bavume ini?
Yes, I've been telling you that because I've had to separate and then get someone, and then that's what happened.
Do you hear what he's saying?
Like, Anity, you have to suffer before you get the one.
You have
So
to
you're
suffer.
the one. Yeah, so you're the one.
I'm the one.
Yeah.
Break up with your girlfriend right now. And it's a matter of mina kuzomele ngimbone impilo yami leyo girl because uzoloka athi baby graduation yomntwana baby in so noma singahlukana still mawuhalela quick mina ngakwazi ukukunikeza uzogijimela yena loyo we 6 years. Why ngenza isilima so?
No.
Yazi la way yoba une partner ne. So uchiri yakujolela, right? And you find out yakujolela. You understand? Nawe umjolele back. You understand? I think la situation is tricky, yabo, because ungamjolela back and then you find lo muntu umjolela ngaye. You fall in love now, you fall in love. Uqonda ba man uyazibona ne future nalona. not lona. But ke ngoku iwe umjita ayenzileyo wrong is not to be honest uba look ndinomntana, you understand, kukho le situation enkuyo bendithanda lona but wandijolela, so I thought move on mna, you understand, but i-situation inje ebhek, you understand. I think umjita should have just came out and say ayibeke i-situation kanjalo, to be honest, no girl, you understand. I think that's the only way I think mna this situation could have been avoided, bona.
But yazi ukuthi iquick ngithola kuwe muhle.
Ini.
So why ngizofuna iquick komunye umuntu?
You disrespectful. You disrespectful. And you don't even don't even take
He's being a dick now.
notice ukuthi I'm with someone here from television. CCTV.
Now he's being a fucking asshole. My guy.
Bruh. You CMTV, bruh. You telling me ukuthi I'm the one you come for a quickie.
Boy, andokuzamile boy, uyanyela ngoku.
Kusho ukuthi when you make love, you go to your baby mama. Let's make more kids. Let's make more kids.
No, baby, look, uyazi ukuthi I give you a good life. I give you a good dick. I give you a good smile.
Good dick ain't shit. Good dick ain't shit.
Yeah.
It's much as me saying I have a pretty face. I sit in the front of your car and niggas brag and back khalela. That's not shit because there are a lot of pretty girls and there's a lot of good dicks out there.
Yeah, but you are my match. You are my girl. You know, when we met, you was a click. There was a click between me and you. There was a spark.
There was a click. There was a spark. What happened to the spark you had with the other girl? Because one thing I am
you are switching off our spark right now with the CMTV things there on. I don't even know where you are right now. You are switching off the spark. So you want me to do what? I'm saying.
What is the way forward, my sister?
You don't want to tell me.
He's telling me that his dick is the only thing I'm addicted to. He's telling me that he has a child and a baby mama for 6 months. I'm done with you. I'm done with you, my nigga. You hear me? You ain't shit. You ain't shit.
No. But
you ain't shit.
You were going to tell me like,
You ain't shit, my nigga. Nigga, my nigga, you ain't shit.
He's trying to bribe me, telling me about dick.
why you an
Trying to bribe you with a D.
The dick.
Oh, okay.
It's tripping.
All right.
Nigga, it's tripping.
All right, I hear you.
It's tripping.
I'm going to call you later.
You're gonna call me later.
Yeah.
How dare this
Yeah.
nigga?
I'm going to have to call you later. Look, I love you, right? I love you.
Nami ngiyakuthanda.
Yeah, so manje wayenza so.
Yeah, ngenza song ngoba uyenza izinto ezisnacks man.
I'm a rapping.
Yeah.
I'm confused. Now it was our being as again.
Hayi baby ungangincingi. Ngicela sidropeni le phone usile lo mfana. Ngikathela usile lo
This guy
mfana.
has answer for everything.
How?
No man, no. Like ingase even from your ladies, you understand? Saying nguwe lona in kule situation, kule hard seat, you understand? How would you handle the situation? Like yeah, maneuver njani the situation, you understand? And would you say I love you too after over yonke lo vobe, like yonke le nonsense, and still you say I love you too without meeting lo mntu after le shanisi nincoko le face to face, but wena still uthi I love you too after lo mntu akunyele so ekugcinela imfihlo lengaka jo, still I love you too to a fucking asshole ethi bikubamba for ikwiki xa ikufuna, still I love you too. No, you understand? And from wena out ukule situation, you understand, how would you have maneuvered this situation, you understand? Like I don't think sonke sirude kanje, you understand? I don't think sirude kanje, like umjito fair na from an artist perspective, you understand? And let's just hit the comment section and just talk about this, man, you understand? I find it man, you understand? Amajita yazenzi we got that job. I don't wanna cap. Like siyazenza izinto. Both niyazenza izinto. Namameti vice versa, you understand? So yeah, man, let's talk about it. Hit the like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's go.